So this is the A&K PTW Clone. We fully changed to Etiny, ECU, power cord, power data. The switch is also changed to the Etiny, and we used the brand new Etiny motor that's even faster than the Celsius one in the Systema stock. And I use a 11.1 LiPo battery. I think it's 1450 mAh, and it got a 25C average with a maximum of 50. So, well, this is the result in burst. It's really loud and fast. And semi, you can really go fast on that one. I got some German colleagues that really like this and would probably prefer it with a F mark when available. Give me a sec, I'll open it and show the gears going around. There's actually, by the way, with an yellow 450 FPS standard cylinder from A&K. Open. As you can see, it's Etiny right now with the ECU, and this is single shot. Same battery, only single shot. Since I don't use full auto, I only have it set on burst mode, and I really love it. You can actually go, if you're fast enough, full auto with it. Motor is pretty nice. As you can see, it's really smooth on the trigger. I'll show you here. It's really. Let me check a better angle for it. Really fast, as you can see. Overall, I have to say, damn nice for a clone as this, and you replace all the electronics with good quality. You have a very nice clone, and I think I will try the Orga flat hub with Orga barrel pretty soon in this one. And of course I'm going to change the wrist and everything. The handguard is going to be changed to wrist. I'm probably going to shorten the barrel as well and put a silencer on it to mock it up. And maybe another stock. Actually, I do like this. I have the AK-416 GBB from Umarex. Maybe I'll put that stock on if possible. So yeah, thanks for watching, and well, if you want to buy it or anything, we're actually selling them on airsofttogo.com, including the Etiny package pre-installed if required. So check it out, www.airsofttogo.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.